Hey guys, back with another video. I'm just gonna teach you guys how I cold start my Suzuki DS70. It's not a very big bike, but see, engine's cold, or cold from last night's riding. So I'll sit this down right about there. So make sure it's in neutral. Put it on. Kick out. That is it. Up and running. See you guys later.